This is Jim. He is a business owner who was looking for new methods how to attract customers. Jim decided to install Bikekeep sharing racks. So did June, who is in the real estate business, and Bill from the university. Bikekeep is a bike-sharing rack that locks personal bikes. Both frame and the wheel are secured with a steel bar. The bike is locked with an app or NFC card. Bikekeep also has video surveillance, loudspeaker alarm, and local security partner to react to distress signals. After installing Bikekeep, people with bikes started to arrange their meetings in Jim's cafe thanks to convenience offered by Bikekeep. Jim is a clever business owner. Thanks to a small convenience fee from every parking, the revenues from Bikekeep racks are higher than rental fees for them. So Jim is actually making money with the Bikekeep parking station. It is also possible for every bike owner to share their personal bikes while they don't use it. For example, Michael cycled to the office in the morning and put his bike up to the share program until 5 p.m. During lunch, Linda used it to take a refreshing bike ride. And Jacob used Michael's bike to bring some packages from a couple of blocks away. Since Michael has predetermined that the bike must be back before 5 p.m., he can now take his bike, collect rent fee, and cycle back home. Bikekeep, just park it.